Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on VLSI design. Myself, Professor Meenakshi Jorsai, Department of ECE, KLS VDIT, Hadia. So in the previous lecture, we studied arrangement of an 4-bit arithmetic processor. In this lecture, we will be discussing 4x4 crossbar switch, the limitations of crossbar switch and how it is overcome using 4x4 barrel shifter, and then we will understand what is regularity. So any general purpose n-bit shifter should be able to shift incoming data by n-1 places, either in right direction or left direction. All shifts will be on end around basis, that is any bit shifted out at one end of the data word will be shifted in at the other end of the word. For a 4-bit data word, 1 bit right shift is equivalent to 3 left shifts, and a 2-bit right shift is equivalent to 2-bit left shift, and a 3-bit right shift is equivalent to 1-bit left shift. So thus we can achieve capability to shift left or right by 0, 1, 2 or 3 places by designing a circuit. So the basic requirements of shifter are input from a 4-line parallel data bus, 4 output lines for the shifted data, and means of transferring input data to the output lines with any shift from 0 to 3 bits inclusive. So first we'll begin with the crossbar switch, and then we'll discuss how the limitations of crossbar switch can be overcome using barrel shifter. So for a 4x4 crossbar switch, we'll have a 4x4 array, hence we'll need 16 transistors. Every transistor gate terminal is controlled by a control signal, that is we need 16 control signals, SW00 to SW15, one for each transistor switch. Suppose if all the switches are on, suppose if all the gate inputs are logic 1, all the switches will be on. If the switch is on, input 0 shorted to output 0 line. If this switch is also on, input 1 shorted to same output 0 line. Input 3 shorted to output 0. Input 4 is also shorted to output 0. So all the inputs are connected to all the outputs in one glorious short circuit. So this is the main drawback of crossbar switch. If all the switches are on, all the inputs are shorted to the output lines, and we need 16 control signals here, and hence such complexity is highly undesirable. So instead of using 16 control signals, we can couple the switch gates together in a group of 4, and we can form 4 separate groups corresponding to shifts of 0, 1, 2 and 3 bits. So such arrangement can be seen in a 4x4 barrel shifter. So similar to crossbar switch, we need a 16 transistors here, 4x4, which results in 16 transistors. But instead of 16 control signals as in crossbar switch, here we'll have only 4 control signals. SH0, SH1, SH2, SH3, and the transistors are interconnected in a staircase form. So only one input will be available on the corresponding output line. So these red ones are controlled by control signal SH0, the blue ones are controlled by SH1, the green ones are controlled by SH2, and the pink ones are controlled by SH3. 4x4 shifter, hence will have 4 input lines and 4 output lines. Suppose if SH0 is 1 and the other control signals are 0. SH0 is 1, hence T1 is on, T2 is on, T3 is on, T4 is on, and the rest of the transistors are off. Since T1 is on, input 0 is available on output 0 line. You can observe the first case. If SH0 is 1, input 0 is available on output 0 line. T2 is on, therefore input 1 is available on output 1. T3 is on, therefore input 2 is available on output 2 line. T4 is on, therefore input 3 is available on output 3 line. Similarly, if SH1 is 1, these blue transistors will be on. The transistors with blue color, these transistors will be on. So if these transistors are on, that is T5, T6, T7 and T8 transistors are on, input 1 is available on output 0 line, input 2 is available on output 1, input 3 is available on output 2 line, input 0 is available on output 3. That is, the input data is shifted by one time. Similarly, if SH2 is 1 and all others are 0, T9, T10, T11 and T12 transistors are on. The transistors in green color, all these will be in on state. Since T9 is on, input 2 is available on output 0. Since T10 is on, input 3 is available on output 1. T11 is on, hence input 0 is available on output 2. T12 is on, hence input 1 is available on output 3. It means if SH2 is 1, data gets shifted by 2 times. Similarly, if we make SH3 control signal 1 and all others 0, the data gets shifted by 3 times. That is, output 0 will have input 3, output 1 will have input 0, output 2 will have input 1, output 3 will have input 2. So for 4x4 barrel shifter, we'll need only 4 control signals. By interconnecting the transistors in a staircase form, that is interconnecting transistors in a group of 4, we can reduce the number of control signals, thus the complexity can be reduced, and the short circuit problem of the crossbar switch can be overcome using a 4x4 barrel shifter. So the next concept is what regularity. Regularity is defined as total number of transistors on chip divided by number of transistor circuits that must be designed in detail. Regularity is nothing but replication of the devices. So regularity should be high as possible to minimize the design effort required for any system. For example, for 4x4 barrel shifter, we discussed in the previous slide, for 4x4 barrel shifter we need 16 transistors, which is a 4x4 array. So if we design one transistor, it can be replicated for the other 15 positions. So it means one circuit has to be designed in detail and it can be replicated 16 times to form a 4x4 barrel shifter. Therefore regularity will be 16. Suppose if we design a 8x8 shifter, then the array structure will be 8x8. It means we'll have 8x8 transistors, that is 64 transistors with 8 input lines, 8 output lines and 8 control signals. So we can design one transistor in detail and it can be replicated 64 times. Therefore regularity factor for 8x8 bit shifter is 64. So good system design can achieve regularity factors of 50 to 100 or more. For example, in case of memories, so memory is in the form of row cross column, that is array structure, and memory, a block will be replicated multiple times. So if we design one block in detail, it can be replicated n number of times. Therefore higher regularity can be achieved for memory designs. Thank you.